Hey there, entrepreneurs! Welcome to the future of wealth creation. This isn't just a catchphrase. Think big money is a movement. We are living in a new era, where wealth is no longer inherited, it's engineered. Think big money is the platform for bold thinkers, visionaries who are building the future through entrepreneurship, automation, and innovation. Whether you're launching your first venture, or scaling toward $1 million milestone, our ecosystem equips you with the tools to execute. We offer AI-powered startup tools, ready-to-use business contracts and templates, branding, marketing, and automation systems, financial strategy and literacy programs, creator monetization solutions, and blockchain, DeFi, and digital asset tools. We're not just teaching how to make money, we're creating systems that think for you, so you can focus on what truly scales ownership. Think big money is more than just a guide. It's your partner in revolutionizing wealth. Picture this: global entrepreneurs, families, legacy builders, all connected and thriving. We don't just think big, we think big money, we build smart, and we own everything. Generational strategies for legacy builders. Ready to join the movement? Let's build your legacy together.